Today we're going to look at how to go ahead and add products to the Woocommerce section of your website. In order to do this, we're already logged in, as you can see, and we're going to click over to the products section on the left hand side. Here we can see that there's multiple options. We're going to go ahead and click on products to start, and that will bring up a view of all of the products that we have available on the online store. Alright, now we're looking at the view of the products here. You can see the number of items that are already available there. In this particular store, they've been already uploaded, and this is a sports store. Now, when you mouse over an item, you can see a sub-menu come up with items like edit, quick edit, trash, etc. We're going to go ahead and click on an edit. Alright, now this is how you're going to go ahead and add or edit a product, but in this area you can do multiple things. One of the things you can see there is the description. In the bottom right hand corner you're going to see a product image option, right? And now here we're just going to go ahead and click and set the image for the product, and that's going to bring up your media library and the ability to actually upload a file. So if you have the file or image that's appropriate for the product already uploaded into your media library, then you'll get this screen, and you can see if that product is available there for you. You can additionally search by a particular product type or name. A lot of times there will be a product SKU number or maybe a name of the product in the file name itself. In this case, you can also upload a file directly if you'd like. We're just going to go ahead and search here for another moment and find a file that we want. Okay, and we're just going to now at this point go ahead and edit a file here. So we'll choose one of these, and let's see here. Let's go ahead and just choose. These look like shoulder pads, but we'll choose them anyway. So you can just click on it, and then you can see that there's a title to it, caption, stuff like that. You can put all that text in there if you'd like. However, now we're going to go ahead and set the product image. Now you'll see it appear in the bottom right hand corner, and now you still have to press the update button in order to have that change take place. So now this has added the image for the product to your product page. So now when you go and view the product page, you're going to view the product information along with the product image that will display there as well. And there's the product image that we chose. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and come back into the product administration, and again you can remove the image if you want. So we can go ahead and click to remove the product image on the bottom right here. It's just the same place where we added the product image previously. You'll still need to update it in order to make that successful. Okay. Now here, if you wanted to set another product image back, you can go ahead and do that. In this case also, what we can do is we can always upload a file. So rather than using just the media library, if you've already loaded a ton of images to your media library, then certainly you can just use those images as we showed you a little bit ago. Otherwise, you can go and use the Upload Files tab right here in the left-hand corner. Okay. You can also sort information or images that were loaded by date, and that makes it kind of useful. If you added some product images for recent products, then that will help you find them a little bit quicker. Here's an example where we did a search just for the SKU number, or a start of a SKU number. Like these are masks, and you can see that what we typed in there would correspond to either the SKU number or also maybe part of the product name, with which relies within the image itself, the image name itself. Okay. So again, the other option is to go and upload the files. You can click this and directly select files from your computer and upload them directly here. Once you do that, we'll just take a look and grab, let's see, you can just grab any file here and load it up. All right. You can see just by what we're doing here is that, the more that you scroll down, you'll see more and more of the images that you've loaded onto the site. So you may think that you've seen all the images, but once you scroll down a bit, you're going to find that there's more and more and more, all the way up until the end of the list of images that you've actually put into the site itself already. Okay,